Tonight's documentary follows the adventures of a remarkable young Hoover. Many of you may think you know Henry the Hoover, but tonight you will see him as you have never seen him before, because tonight Henry the Hoover does Taekwondo.
Today we have a very special guest that's come to train with us today. So his name's Henry, so I'll just go and get him.
Join us and Henry on a remarkable journey into the world of Virtue Taekwondo.
So everyone, 1, 2, 3. Crowd him too much because he's a little bit shy, so...
Henry quickly relaxes and joins in with the class. Henry is having trouble with his riding block. Luckily, a minor accident proves not to be serious. The children introduce Henry to the traditional game of dodgeball.
3, 2, 1, go!
It seems that the first class has gone well for Henry, but now he faces a bigger challenge. He's going to join in the senior children's class.
Courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit.
The standards and expectations in this class are higher, and Henry is once again having trouble with his rising blocks. But just as Henry is beginning to think things are looking a bit bleak, he has some fantastic news.
So I'm going to say Henry has successfully passed to yellow belt. Give him a big clap, guys.
This is amazing. How fantastic for this young Hoover to have achieved so much in such a short space of time.
Give him a big clap.
As Henry the Hoover does a lap of honour with his newfound friends and shakes the hand of his Sabin, Lisa Dennis, 6th Dan, world champion.
Passing in yellow belt. Amazing.
Yes, things are looking pretty good for Henry now he's got his yellow belt, but there are more challenges ahead at the Virtue Taekwondo Club. Now Henry's going to have his first sparring session.
Okay, right back to B. Okay, so free sparring. See, jump.
Remarkably, this plucky young Hoover isn't fazed by the competition and finds himself fighting back. Remarkable, Henry, truly remarkable. Final challenge, Henry attempts to knock out every single member of this startlingly talented young club. And, amazingly, and Henry himself can only be the most amazed of all, he actually manages to achieve this daring and stunning feat, leaving every child decked. Henry takes a break with some young admirers, but he knows that his biggest challenge lies yet ahead. For now, Henry is going to take part in some extremely complicated flying sidekick manoeuvres. Henry lines up with the other members of the club for the flying sidekick, a complicated jump which can go wrong extremely easily. But a surprise is in store. To everyone's amazement, Henry more than holds his own and appears to have mastered the flying sidekick. And it seems they love him for it. After a spectacular performance in the junior classes, Henry decides to stay on and join the adults for a complicated game of wit, determination and spatial awareness known as thwackers. All too soon the class is over, and what a class it's been. and it really is a joy to see the sense of achievement shining in that young Hoover's eyes. So after a good evening's training, Henry heads home, tired but happy and probably in need of a good Hoover bag change.